What's up guys, this is Lauren and we're at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay where we've been invited out to check out the Bier Fest. Let's go inside and see what's happening. A little busy today, but yeah, just like last time on a Saturday, kind of is to be expected. And we still have the Passport to Summer Rewards redemption going on, so that's right here. Right when you walk in at the front, they have a cool little photo op for the event. Kind of looks like foam. It's kind of neat. The event is going to be going on every Friday and Sunday, July 21st through September 4th. And they got like a little map here, shows you where everything is at. Looks like we're going the right way. Uh-oh, looks like it's that time of the year again, Howl-O-Scream. Hey look, the wait time on Gwazi matches the temperature. Alright, so booth number 1 is going to be inside excursion. So you have a Black Forest cupcake, caramel popcorn cupcake, gingerbread cupcake, and German chocolate cupcake. And those are right on here. So this was, or is going to be booth 2, the Artists and Treasures booth, but it isn't open. I'm not sure if it's going to be at a later date or not. But as we come over here, this is booth number 3. So this is the Moonshine booth. You get a single neat $13.99 or a tasting flight at $21.99. Alright, so here are your choices. You're going to have the American Born Dixie, American Born Apple Pie, Firefly White Lightning, and the Firefly Blackberry. And yeah, just like over there, you can get a flight of that. So if you don't know which one you want, you can try them all. Next up is booth number 4, Moonshine House, or however you like to say it. Bierwurst, pretzel roll, potato pancake with applesauce, and Kollenkes burger, klops, and then soda, and then the price of the lanyards. And it looks like the 15 item is the pass member exclusive. And once again, the 5% surcharge will be added to all checks. Alright, so I got the beer first. This is the first time it's on the menu, so I'm going to taste it and come back to you guys and let you know how it is. So we're at booth number 5, it's Hoppy Trails. We got Hopsecutioner, Voodoo Ranger, Juicy Haze, Space Grass, and Coral Head. It's kind of cool names. Alright, another photo op. This time it's a beer bottle with the grass in the background. Hashtag thrill on tap. Booth number 6, Pub Grub, Beer Braised Pork Shank, Stout Barbecue, German Potato Salad, and Bratwurst. Okay, so what I picked up was a Beer Braised Pork Shank with a Stout Barbecue, so after this I'll let you guys know how it is. So as far as a Beer Braised Pork Shank goes, it was very tender, almost fall off the bone, had a lot of flavor with it. I don't think it really necessarily needs the vegetables on top, but I can see where they're coming from. It needs kind of color with it. But yeah, and also I don't know if I did the Bierwurst or not, but yeah, that was really good too, and it was a good portion for the size that it was. Booth 7, ciders, cocktails, and sours. So we have pink beer sour, strawberry kiwi burst, raspberry lemonade cider, homemade apple pie, which is another cider. That's really good. I had that a few years ago. Strawberry Fields craft cocktail, perfect summer craft cocktail, water, and yeah, a bunch of bottled beverages. So after trying it out, I wouldn't really call it like a sour beer. I mean, honestly, I can't really comment on that, so take that back. I really don't know what a sour beer is supposed to taste like, but yeah, it wasn't really fruity. I still had that taste of beer, so I'm not really gonna call myself a sour beer fan, so scratch that. Still good, I guess, if you like beer. So this is beer 9, and I love the name of this. Das gut halt! Good, right? So we got chicken apple sausage, brown butter spatzel, sauerbraten, German pot roast, egg noodle kugel, and the usual. So apparently all is Das not good at the Das Good Hut, and they're not open yet. Checking out on the pink chickens. Looking good. Don't see any imposter ducks from last time, but I do see some seagulls. This is booth 10, Bay Area Brews. We got the Frostproof Belgian White Ale, Sunrunner, Leave-In Cheeky Blonde Ale, St. Pete Orange Wheats, Orange Crust, Free Dive IPA, Red Right Return, Oh, maybe that's Rita Rin. You're my boy blueberry. And yeah, that's the booth. You got another photo op. This time it kind of looks like a chalkboard. Got a little beer stein. Cool. This is booth number 11, which is the creamery. So we have apple strudel with vanilla ice cream. Alright, so I got the apple strudel and vanilla ice cream. Now I put the apple strudel in the vanilla ice cream. I was trying to be, you know, decorative with it. But yeah, they give you a really big portion of ice cream. May not look that big on here, but yeah, it's pretty big. So yeah, I'm gonna try it and come back to you guys. So after trying that, I really liked the ice cream. I thought it was really tasty, full of flavor. The vanilla was really spot on. The strudel was good. But I thought it could have been a little better. Maybe fresh, like a fresh one, you know, a fresh tray would have been like nice with the crispiness. But and the only other thing is the proportions were kind of off. You get a lot of ice cream, but the strudel is just, you know, not as big. And I think it's great because you can share the ice cream. It's pretty big portions on that. But that's the only other thing. I think that and the pork shank were my top 2 favorite samples, I would probably have to say. We got booth 12. This is gonna be, I guess, the Springs Tap Room booth. So we got pretzels and beer cheese, currywurst, kielbasa and sauerkraut, and a bunch of other beers and IPAs, ciders, that kind of thing. In front of the Springs Tap Room, they have live music going on. So yeah, right in front, right by the patio. We've got some Scary Zone stuff over here. Remember this guy from last year. So Falcon's open right now, but it's not. Yeah, so it's down for weather, but I did see it running earlier, so yay! Walls! Something approaches. So I never do this, but I'm really excited to ride sand surfing today. And yeah. What? Wait, what's going on here? It's missing. Yeah, that's right, it's gone. Well, hopefully we get something cool in its place. So we got more Scare Zone stuff. Over by the bumper cars, we got a big mural over here. Also today they're holding a pin trading event in Tiger Lodge, and pretty much the gist of it is, of course, you trade pins with everybody else, or you can purchase a pin, and each pin that you purchase, you get to spin on a wheel, and depending on what color you land on, depends on what board you get to pick on. So I got lucky and got to pick from the orange board, which is some of the rarer pins, and I'll show you guys what I got. So I got one, the orange board picks. This was one of the other middle picks, so I got cheetah pin, and then this is my orange board pick. So that was presidential award. I don't know what year that is, but still cool. And then we have the new presidential pin. So yeah, they had a couple higher management people there, including Stewart, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it was great. It was free. Well, you know, unless you purchase a pin. But yeah, other than that, if you brought your own pins, it was free. So yeah, cool event. More Howl-O-Scream stuff. Sky ride, and this will be the perfect time because they have the construction area going on over by San Serpent, or formerly San Serpent. Whoa, that is a big fan. I have no idea what that's for. I mean, except the blue air, but I don't think I've seen that last time. Must be new. More Howl-O-Scream stuff near Sesame. So that's gonna do here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for the Bier Fest. I had a lot of fun. Got to try some really great samples. Once again, my favorite was the apple strudel and also the pork shank. Summer Nights is just about to end. Bier Fest is just beginning. So come on down and try it, guys. And if you like what you see, go ahead and follow us on our socials, and I'll see you next time. Bye!